How to do a keyword search for your new website quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can do keyword search for a new website. And if you don't have any prior backlinks, how do you get started with keyword research, and what are some of the free tools or paid tools that you should check out when you're trying to do keyword research. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to generate ideas using a few seed keywords. Now, what do I mean when I say seed keywords? By seed keywords, I mean keywords that are going to serve you as a umbrella term. For example, let's say I want to build a business, or I'm building a website that I want to build around home decor. So a seed keyword would be something like home decor would be a good seed keyword. Now, let's say I'm going into that, and instead of just, trying to find specific keyword phrases, I'm gonna just search for that specific keyword that I'm going to be using as a seed keyword. If I search for home decor on Google, I can type in space, and then this will give me ideas for further keywords. So this is a very simple way that you can just take a look at the different options you have available, the different items that you can search for, or the different items that are going to show up in that specific niche for that specific keyword, for that specific seed keyword. Now, the second thing that you're going to do is, in terms of your niche, you're going to define your niche. So whatever you're building a website for, whatever it might be, it could be for e-commerce store, maybe it's a website, a blog, a portfolio, whatever it is, you need to choose your niche. So if we go with the example of pet care, so if pet care is our umbrella niche that we're going for, a good seed keyword would be something like cats, dogs, pets. Now, what you can do is that you can take these seed keywords and put them into any keyword research tool. You have multiple different tools available out there that are available for free as well as paid tools. You can go to keywordresearch.io, or one of the most simplest ways is to type in on Google. I do recommend that before you go ahead and try to use keyword research tools, just go onto Google and search for the specific keyword that you are looking for, the specific keyword seed that you are, shortlisting with. So what you're going to do is that if I want to create a website with pet care and I want to use any of the seed keywords, so I would just search for pets. Now over here, it's going to show me some results. Now, just because something is showing up over here doesn't mean that it is going to serve you as a keyword. These were insufficient keywords. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for pets, and then you can scroll to the bottom of the screen, and then you will get related queries. So this is another way that you can find similar keywords for the specific seed keyword that you have searched for. Or there is a tool called Keywords Everywhere. So keywordseverywhere.com is a simple Chrome extension. You're just going to click on install for Chrome. And this is especially helpful for people that are just starting out their website. They don't have backlinks. They don't have a lot of different, they don't have a lot of experience in building SEO for keywords. So it's going to be a lot easier for you to be using keyword research with keywords tool. Now, what you can do is you can analyze the page content, you can analyze the keyword data. So over here, what this will allow you to do is that you can analyze, you can find the long tail keywords for pets. You can see it's the same Google search that I did, and now it's giving me data on the right side of my screen. So you can see the long tail keywords that I'm getting and the trending keywords that I'm getting, as well as people also search for and related keywords. I also have a global data analysis, as well as SEO difficulty, brand query, on-page difficulty, and off-page difficulty. So this tool is going to be very, very helpful for a new website builder. So let's say I want to continue with my example. Let's say we want to build a website for skincare. We want to sell our own skincare product. So what you would do is that you're just going to clear this search and you're going to search for skincare. Now, once you search for skincare, we're just going to wait for this to load. Now you can see the global search trend has gone up. The SEO difficulty is not that high. And then below that, you have keywords like skincare routine, skincare products, skincare brands, good skincare, primary skincare, skincare routine at home, primary skincare is actually a very nice keyword because it is not something that people often think of when they're typing or looking for keywords, but it is often a query that people ask. Then you also have similar searches as well as trending keywords and long tail keywords that you can include in your own brand descriptions or on page SEO. Now, there are other tools such as the Ahrefs free SEO tools where you can have a keyword generator. You can just go to their free SEO tools and you can type in the keyword, the seed keyword. So you can just type in the seed keyword over here and you're just going to click on find keywords. You're going to click on I'm not a robot and now you can see the similar keywords. So you have phrase match as well as questions, and questions are a better way for you to get started, especially when you're trying to get your web page out there without backlinks. Then question based keywords are better to use for a website that is new. But you can see you can click on questions over here, verify that you're not a robot. And you can see these are some of the high KD keywords. So what is slugging skincare, how to layer skincare, what are peptides. So all of these queries are amazing for someone that is just looking to build their new web page. And these two tools are fantastic for a new person that is, not that familiar with keyword research. Getting these analytics in a very, very easy form is going to be optimal for you. Now, taking a look at the next step for keyword search, you need to understand the types of keywords. Now, there are three basic types of keywords: the money terms, which are the core business terms and often are hard to rank. A keyword like skincare probably has millions and millions in search volume, but because it is such a core keyword, it is going to be very difficult for you to rank high for this keyword. Second off, you have the keywords on topics that generate backlinks. Now, these are the query keywords as I was talking about. Why would these kinds of query keywords generate backlinks? Well, you can easily get authoritative websites to link back to your website if you have a query-based article or blog or forum. The reason for that is you can post on forums like Reddit or Quora in the form of an answer. So if people are asking these questions on Google, they are probably asking them on other forums, and you can backlink from there as well. And it is very essential for any website to build backlinks if they are trying to rank. Now, next up, you have low competition keywords. Now, as I said previously, we saw these skincare similar searches, and primary skincare was one of the results. Now, primary skincare, you can see it is actually a good keyword because it is relatively popular, but it won't be as difficult for you to rank on it as well. Now, the next thing you need to keep in mind is link baiting on topics. Now, what you're going to do is, this is cross research. So you're cross examining. You're going to take the niche that you are looking in. So let's say you're building a hair accessory store. Now, if you're building a hair accessory store, you need to find the top pages for the top keywords that you have filtered out. You need to retrack to see why they are getting success. So you're going to see their on-page SEO. You can use the Ahrefs tool as well, and you can just go into the free SEO tools, go into their SERP checker, and just see the overall analytics for their page, and then you're going to build content on their template. So take the top important picks, whatever you learn from the successful pages, what are the things that they are doing that is making them successful, and replicate them with your own content. And the last thing you need to do for keyword research on a new website is to assess the ranking difficulty. As I said previously, a keyword term like fashion. So fashion is a keyword that is super high ranked. It has a very high search volume, but it is a very difficult keyword to rank for. So that is why you need to assess the difficulty. You need to do this in a very formulated way. So take a look at the number of referring domains and the number of authority ranking backlinks from domains and topical relevance of top ranking websites and pages of the top search results for your keywords to have a better understanding whether or not you as a new website owner would be able to compete with their pre-existing backlinks and referring domains. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.